afternoon, YouTube. Well, it could be good evening or good morning, depending on what time you're watching this. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about security. It's featured quite a bit on our channels. It's not the most exciting content to record or watch. If you want to keep your car in your possession, then you need some kind of additional layer of security because, let's be honest, they're getting stolen every day, these more modern vehicles, and they're extremely simple, quick and easy to steal. Most basic form of security is obviously put your keys in a Faraday box or a Faraday pouch just to stop relay attack. Doesn't always stop every single one because they fail, the pouches fail. We get cars all the time being dropped off and we walk up to their car, open the door with the key in the pouch. So they're okay, but they're not the be it and end all of security. They're just the first layer. Same with boxes, they're good, but they can also fail, you know? So it's worth having some kind of additional layer of security on your car, like an immobiliser or a tracker. Today, this brand new RS3 that's in with us is having a Meta S5 VTS Deadlock. That's the name of the product. It's in essence a tracker with an additional layer of immobilisation. I'm going to give you an example of how it works. That's obviously your keys for your Audi you have here, and then what you should also have is a tag. Now it's up to you if you want to keep them on together at the same time. Obviously a better layer of security is to keep them separate, but without this tag the car simply doesn't start. And even if the ignition is turned on without this tag present, Tracker themselves or Metatrak will actually get a notification to say this has happened, and they'll ring you to say, are you with your car? Have you got your tag? You know, 9 times out of 10 you probably just forgot your tag because you left it at home, but you'll know in this case because the car won't start without this tag. Now I'm going to give you an example. What I've got here is one of those very boxes I mentioned earlier. For a complete layers of security, I'm going to put both tags in a pouch and in the box to make sure that none of the information is being leaked through either of these devices. Okay, all in here. So I've just left with the key, which in essence is what the thief would have, or they'd amplify this key but they won't have a tag. I'm going to try and start it and I'm going to show you what it does, but it takes about roughly 2 minutes for the tag to be unidentified by the tracker. So we're going to fast forward this bit here and I'm just going to do a bit of scrolling while I'm waiting, really.
A few moments later.
Right, so it's been about 2 minutes. Made a quick phone call to the wife while I was waiting for this system to unrecognise the tag. So now the tags in theory shouldn't be seen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip the camera around and I'm going to recreate us trying to start the car with the original key. Okay, so there's obviously the dashboard. I'm going to go to the start button, put my foot on the brake, and I'm going to push start. You're going to get the ignition lights, but the car is not going to start. Okay, it's as simple as that. You turn the ignition off, put your foot on the brake and push start again. Again, it will not start. Okay, it's as simple as that. No tag, no start. Your car's now protected. You can keep it on your driveway and not having to worry about claim or insurance or just be generally inconvenienced the day you come out and find your car's gone. All right, now that's about it. I don't want to baffle you with all the technical stuff of the tracker, but no tag, no start. Simple as that. You've seen it working. If you like what you see, or you've got any questions on the security system, just drop us a comment, give us an email, info@johncleese.com. There's also a handy WhatsApp number on our website. You can also informally message us on there. But for now, it's Connor from John Cleese signing off.